नहीं, थोड़ा नीचे किया मैंने।
थोड़ा अर्शी या
कैमरे पे शूट करो ना भाई, कोई काम करोगे पैसा एक ही
वेट
जी जी यहाँ पे हर
पीछे
किसी
कर, पीछे
बॉय मार रहा है ना
पीछे कर करना।
अर्शी वेट
ये कैमरे को ब्लर कर दो।
अरे नहीं यार, ये ड्राइवर भी देगा क्या फोन?
वेट 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 अर्शी
अब छापे कैसे करते करते बचे।
दिख रहा है ना अर्शी सेंटर
अगर बात दिख रही
अर्शी लुक सेंटर मोबाइल वीडियो मारेगा ना हमारे
नहीं, मतलब थोड़ा सा ये करो तो लाइट नहीं लगा, मैंने वहाँ से लाइट गैप दिया था।
दिल्ली से बहुत खा पी कर आई हूँ। चलो हो गया डन।
रेड टू फ्रंटल लेना है उसको क्या बात है क्या बात है
चलो
बस
बाय।
यही चलेगा
मैम इधर भी एक बार।
जीवन बन गया।
तुम्हारी औरत को बोलना पड़ेगा।
डन या रोलिंग
Here for the most awaited techno night of Tokyo, which is the night I'm still there, and it's your birthday. And the special event set up.
I think I'm really excited because I love techno and I can't wait to play tonight. Dance tonight. My friends are going to dance tonight. My birthday too. So yeah, it's exciting. Super rockstar.
We call techno music, we call it music as well. What is the kind of music
See, I've always felt that deep house music, there was something very good about techno which soothes your mind, it lets you free, and music, all genres, each person is own, but music is music. But for my kind of taste, the kind of music that I've been listening to all my life, it has always been techno. So I'm really, really, really excited to be here tonight. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, I'm so excited. Like for the techno night, it's usually not my honor, so I'm more excited because of that. That देखते क्या होता है. I'm quite curious.
कि क्या होने वाला है. And since it's his first anniversary, so I really wish him, you know, like lot many more anniversaries. This is the first one. You're going there, there, there. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, hi. Oh, happy birthday. मैं तो I am more of this jazz kinds and then Bollywood and I'm still that 90s kid who loves A.R. Rahman music. So I am that, which is why I'm like, okay, let's try techno night tonight. Yeah. Okay, perfect, done. Yes, वापस आके.
Who likes techno music or Bollywood music? Hi, how are you? ये दिखना चाहिए. All good? खाना खाया? Yeah. Hi guys. Yeah. So it's been a year now, and I've been working on it a lot. So I'm just not a DJ. I am also a director at a company. So I wake up at 5:30 in the morning. My work is until 5 p.m. After 7 to 10, I work on music, and I have a family as well, a small kid, wife. So it's been an exhausting day and it's exhausting year. But finally, I completed a year now, and yes, I'm proud of myself and want to grow more. It's just 1 year now. I want to grow it more. I want to grow to a level where I want to achieve it, and I will achieve it. And yes, it's been a very crazy ride, but I'm enjoying it. I mean, very few people get to follow their passion, in which I am one of it, and I'm lucky. Thank you very much. Yeah, so I tell you one thing. I went to Vizag. I was called Vizag to perform a night, and the crowd was so phenomenal there. I stand up on the stage and I was dancing with them. People came onto the stage and they were dancing with me. And that was a night I felt, okay, I can make people vibe along with me. That was the night I felt, okay, yeah, I'm a good DJ. Correct, correct, correct. So I'll tell you one story. So I was a proper Bollywood music fan, and that too a Pardesi Jaya Nahi types music. But one day I went to Goa, I heard techno music, and trust me, there's no looking back. And then I used to party for 2 years, and then I thought, okay, no, I mean, if I am on this side of the stage, I can be a DJ. I can present myself, I understand music, why not, let's try. And my passion is turning into a professional thing now, and I'm very lucky for it, and I'm enjoying it. So yes, it's gonna be very much promising. So in last 1 year, I was able to share the stage with many big Tomorrowland artists like Artbet, Cassian Masano. This is just a start. My aim is to be a Sunburn artist, and maybe I'll play in Tomorrowland. Maybe next year. Yes, as you know, that techno music is growing in India. And as I've told you, I was a pure Bollywood fan. But once you listen to techno music, it's at the peak. So once you go there, there's no looking back. Trust me. Obviously, I love Bollywood, but I would strongly suggest don't just get stick to Bollywood. Try music. Music is love. Music is life. So try, keep trying new music, and you'll love it. Thank you. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks for coming. Come. Yeah. So she's my wife, and just imagine, I've been playing music in my home. Just imagine what she must be going through. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Ramji, please join.
Hey, my college friend.
Sanobar, please come.
Guys, he's my college friend.
Sanobar, please come. One second. Can't we make
Yeah, sure. Please, please. Whoa! Thank you. Congratulations. We'll have a good time.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you doing?
Yes. I would like to wish UK all the best. He's so amazing and he's been performing globally and having fans all over the world. So congratulations, my brother, and looking forward for a super rocking night and looking forward to collaborate also together with both of us. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You have to talk.
I think I was just watching him talk, and it's so amazing. The passion that he has towards music reflects it. I'm looking forward to hear it, and with the sound of it, the excitement, the passion, the energy, I know it's gonna be a good night. So looking forward, and all the best. And of course, Aziz's birthday. So another year of glory, another year of achievements we are gonna have, and all the best.
Tonight's going to be a good night. Thank you.
पहले लेफ्ट यहाँ से राइट से चालू कर Sorry? Hand. Okay. Thank you. Jay, इधर जय तो ले जाना.
I'm excited.
That's the nice. This is the nice one.
I'm so excited. I actually went on your page and I just went and I saw what all are you going to play because I wasn't aware. And everybody's saying, you don't know him. I'm like, I know him as a bird. I'm so excited.
You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. Excellent. Thanks for coming.
Pleasure is all ours. What time are you going to start?
My entry is 11:45. And it's good.
Like it's going to be a banger.
Yeah. So you guys are upstairs.
I saw your little studio with a little baby.
Yeah.
So sweet. Bless you.
Thank you.
That was so beautiful.
Thank you.
It's so nice to balance that.
So my day starts at 5:30. I end at 10 because I'm not of business passion. Business passion. I'm a director of the company.
Too many things, no? In the platter?
Yeah, but I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It's exhausting, but it's good.
It's fun.
Hi.
So I love music. Music is like a very important part of my system. And techno per se, he specializes. I went on his page and I wanted to see what he specializes in. Techno hai, but we've got a little funk added to it, which makes it even more interesting and just not like basic techno. So I'm excited and I'm gonna rage tonight with all of y'all. That's act. So techno is very difficult to choreograph. If I have to put literal steps to techno, I don't think it's the right way to express yourself because techno has its own rhythm and everybody got to follow their own rhythm. So, I mean, if I have to choreograph, then it's my job, then I'm going to do my job. But I would rather prefer for a music like techno. People explore their own little bit and I choose what looks nice and put it together. Thank you. Are we going inside? Yes.
Hi, please join. Tell pictures.
Hi, sir. हम लेखा जी.
Congratulations.
Because you're here for Ukyo's first anniversary
Right.
in techno music
Right.
and for, of course, Azina's birthday. How excited are you to hold it?
I'm very excited. Ukyo is a very nice DJ. He is very good in techno. I've been attending his music every time, so this is my best time here. 1 year की anniversary, and Aziz is my very good friend. I think उसके लिए यहाँ होना ही था. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much, Parul. Thank you.
Vikas, that's Ukyo
Man, I love your attire, man.
I love your attire.
Excellent.
Love your
Excellent. Thank you. I'm sure you like it.
Yeah.
So tonight is the night.
Tonight is the night. And you are playing it well. So Mila is coming. She's my friend.
She's a heart. You can wear your shades. You can both wear shades.
Yeah. That's
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming. Let's do back to back. Back to back. This side.
Portfolio starts.
सारे सारे हम एसआर के लिए पोस्ट करते हैं फिर तो
Portfolio बनवा लो तुम लोग.
कैसे आप बेटे भाई
She's in Delhi.
Yeah. Thanks for coming. I'm sure you love it.
I love it. I've been in Goa, man. There was a club Ukyo over there.
Oh yes, and that is why this is
So Karan Tarina was a friend of mine. Okay. So I was there at Bagatore, then
yes. I mean, I started my techno journey from Ukyo Beach Resort.
I just want to congratulate everyone for a great 1-year anniversary, and I just hope for the best that the event is amazing, as I'm not a techno lover, but I'm looking forward and I hope the event goes really well, and I just waiting for you all guys to join us there. Thank you.
you bring Goa to Bombay.
Yeah.
A fan of techno, then 100% I'll be the permanent customer for them. Thank you so much.
I'll see inside. Well,
Please continue.
it's a pleasure. It's a surprise that Ukyo is here, and I have a connection with Club Ukyo in Goa. And
Yes,
here
likewise.
Ukyo is going to bring Goa back to Mumbai, and we are like looking forward to his playlist.
Yeah.
And happy birthday to Azizi. It's your birthday also.
It's anniversary. Yeah, the Azizi's boy is inside.
Ah.
Yeah.
And Azizi's birthday. So both are two good friends and dear friends, and looking forward to a rocking evening this night.
It's a birthday party and anniversary party. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Rock and
Thank
roll.
you.
Cheers.
A lovely girl. She has to play now. She's gonna play. She'll boil the floor. So you take a single picture.
Without my phone. Thank you. Kaushik?
Which side? Thank you. Mera?
Yeah. I think firstly, congratulations to a lovely place like Solaire. And I personally love techno music. I'm a great fan of music. So it's Aziz's birthday and Ukyo's, DJ Ukyo's first anniversary. Congratulate them and let's party and be happy. Thank you. Thanks.
Yeah, come, please, come. Tonight is the night for you guys.
Can I keep my bag here? Just a minute, just a minute. Right? Done? Thank you. Thank you so much.
Sanjeev, we have started.
So yes,
Come.
whatever crowd you see is because of them. Come.
Start from your right, madam.
Yep.
On your right, madam. Now you're.
That's right.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you, girls. Thank you very much.
I also did a solo with him. Woo! Let's go, Yukio! Thank you so
Thank
much.
you very much.
One more night for Yukio.
Woo, thank you. Banushali. And she's Amy Banushali. So he's a tattoo, like he's done tattoo for Virat Kohli and many more, I don't know, many more, all the actors, cricketers. And she's a pilot and they are real influencers in my life. They are my friends. Yeah, that's right. Thank you very much.
क्या सीन हम अंदर जाए इस तरफ
That's Shakir.
Hi, Yukio. Congrats. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. All the
Shakir, want
best.
to say something?
Yeah. Solo?
Yeah.
Good? I think fabulous. Congratulations
Thank
on
you
a
very
year, Yukio. So, wishing you all the best and may 26 bring you a lot of luck and
Thank you.
more success.
And as you are a fashion designer, and I'm fond of good clothes, so we
Yeah.
have to connect again.
All the best.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks for coming.
आ जाना पीछे
All good? Why you took so long to come? Hi, Vijay. That's Ukyo.
Nice to meet you. Thanks for coming. I hope you love techno music.
Let Rehan pout first. Rehan lips नीचे गिरना चाहिए.
Please come, please come.
तू बीच में आया.
Yes.
No, it's like funny. I know.
Oh, as a D. Oh, wow.
नीचे क्यों बैठ गया?
I love techno.
I'm only
I'm a Tomorrowland girl.
Excellent.
Please,
So,
yeah,
tonight-
Tomorrowland.
Tonight is the night.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm totally techno girl.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
We are
Let's rock it.
totally, yeah.
Thank you very much. Thanks for coming.
Hello, Marija.
Yes, that was stage name. And my name is Karthik. Let's take it.
I am done.
Asif, आजा. आना, Parul, all of us go back like 25 years.
Wow. She's a very, very, very good.
ये सब काके राधा से That's it.
Thank you.
ठीक है?
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Come here.
Thank you. Keep blessing. I thought so. I thought so. Very good. She loves techno. She's been to Ibiza.
Tomorrowland
She's been to
two times.
Tomorrowland.
Two times.
Likewise.
Yes. Oh my God.
Yeah. So we're
looking-
gonna have a lovely time. Sorry.
No, come. I'm waiting for him to play, and I'm really looking forward with his shades.
Yeah.
Ah, so let's kill it.
Let's do it, guys.
Let's create
forward.
Tomorrowland here.
Yeah. Thank you. Let's boil the flow, guys.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
Thanks for coming.
My pleasure it was.
I love your shoes.
Thank you. Thank you. I love your jacket.
Thank you. So I heard that.
I'm sorry.
You're an entrepreneur.
Yes, sir.
Along with DJ, it's my passion.
Right.
You are an entrepreneur. I am.
Wonderful. Good to know that. Good to know that you're managing to follow your passion
Indeed.
along with pursuing your career and your life. Great. Wonderful. God bless you. We will meet very soon. I missed your name though.
So my stage name is Ukyo.
Ukyo. Okay, which means? Yeah, that's
Called
good.
Stay in the
I hope you like it. I would love to. I do. But I'm going to.
Tonight is the night.
So it's all about treatment. I'm going to hopefully enjoy your treatment of
Indeed,
techno.
you will. You will.
God bless you. Take care.
Thank you.
योगेश जी कैसे हैं आप? स्टाइल वाल बोल अरे भाई
Let Uki also join, please.
Of course, of course. He's the man of the moment.
Yes, fine.
God bless.
Thank you. Thank you. Let's, yeah.
इसमें क्या कहेंगे Uki का आज first year का celebration है techno music में?
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेसन ऑल द बेस्ट और ब्राइट फ्यूचर कह सकता हूँ। और सर को आज मैं पहली बार मिल रहा हूँ, तो आगे भी उनका फ्यूचर अच्छा ही रहेगा। और सर
Thank you.
आपको
आपकी
कुछ भी सेवा
blessing, sir,
रहेगा,
keep
कुछ
blessing.
सेवा रहेगा तो याद करना सर।
Keep blessing, sir. Keep blessing. Many new things to learn from you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you. एक साल DJ
क्या कहेंगे for DJ Uki?
So first of all, I'm given to understand that DJ Okyo is an entrepreneur too, and he's pursuing his passion as a DJ. I love the name, the title that he's given to his passion, which actually means live in the moment. Wish him all the best. He's supposed to be a specialist on techno music, so techno is all about how the individual the DJ handles it, the treatment. I'm looking forward to the way Okyo handles the treatment of this techno music. Looking forward to the evening. Yes, all the best. Thank you.
So, sir, once you start listening to techno music,
right?
Trust me, there's no going back.
I am absolutely sure you're pursuing it along with your work,
Yes,
along with your career,
yes,
along with
yes,
your.
yes.
So I'm sure it's going to be amazing.
Indeed.
Looking forward.
Likewise.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All the best.
Aarti is chilling at home. Thank you.
Hi, nice to meet you. Love your outfit.
Love your outfit. Great brand.
Yeah, it's lovely. You know,
Just went on sale.
Yeah, actually.
Nice to meet you.
And see, so I've
Oh yeah, I like.
I've done this.
I love the customization.
Yeah.
Very nice.
No,
Nice
no.
to meet you.
Let's keep going. Yeah. It's a red carpet. Thank you.
Yes. I'm here for you and Aziz.
Yeah, easy.
जी. जैसे आपने कहा, it's going to be an amazing night. आज क्या Friday है ना?
Saturday.
आज Saturday. See, I've lost all track. But Saturday night techno, the man is here. It's going to be awesome. काश आप लोग आ सकते, but जी हाँ sneak in सब आ जाओ.
Gate crash कर लो.
Gate crash कर लो.
पारुल जी मैच कर लेगी.
He'll get more rocking because of these guys. Thank you.
Let's rock the floor, yes?
Thank you.
I love you, brother.
What the hell is going on? I'm
So
going on.
Glam level. Yes, we will.
Chalo, bye.
Bye.
See you.
See you inside. Yeah. He's also a DJ, guys.
Love you, bro. Love you. This night is owned by UQ.
Chandan Madhu.
Yeah.
Hi, come. Nice to meet you. Thanks for coming. My buddy boy. Looks like he's a DJ. Come. Let's take a picture. Oh, yeah, let's do it.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Looking forward.
Thank you. My Thank you. Let's rock the floor. Yeah. Thank you.
Also, what is the depends on the guests I can.
But I think it's too late for guests now.